Hello, I'll show you how to save seeds. This is Benary's Giant Purple, and this is my second bloom here. Let's go. Hey everyone, as promised, we're going to look at saving zinnia seeds. This will be short, but it'll be something good for you to take some time to find which ones are your best blooms to save for next year. You'll have your own seeds. You won't have to order. So, I'll show you if I can stay out of the... Here we go. Okay, this one is a really good one. This is what you're looking for. It's going to look like an arrowhead. And it looks like most of those I've saved are good. A couple might be a little flimsy. As I go back through, I'll probably call some of those. Alrighty. So, what I have here are some petals that I've taken from earlier. See, they look pretty ugly. What I do is I just clip them and leave them somewhere where they can dry a little, and then I just dump them in there, set them away in the cabinet somewhere. There's another one, and if I have two hands here in a minute, you can tell I've started taking some petals off. And let's see if I can do that now while we're filming. I don't know, I usually do things with two hands. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to pull, and you can pull them one at a time if you want. Okay. It looks like with these, I may have already gotten the best ones. No, I see a couple there that are good. There's one that's great. Don't know if I can grab a hold of that one. And then all I do, I'll show you here. Whoa, where did everybody go? Okay. This one might be too narrow to save. Yeah, it looks kind of sad. Let's study this and see what we can find. Oh yeah, those were the... Alrighty, there's one. Yes. Okay, so it's very easy. All you do is take your nail and I'm gonna put it over here in the safekeeping one. And there you go. I just squeezed it just a tad. I don't avoid disturbing the seed itself. And put it in I put mine in an envelope. Save it, be good to go for next year. Alright, happy seed saving. I can show you seed saving on so many things, but these are for zinnias.